This is a renovator, the hilltop cup. Why forward you can't get the rest of the star. Tiggity dum dum dum. Dum dum dum. Tiggity dum dum dum. Alright, tell them I call it this a beat guys. No more we deal with this whole thing right. And them know say me and the lucky type. That's why them a watch me like a satellite. Cause he come check me last night. Me make you come once and forward twice. Now the middle of the night when she forward try. See her roll out the eyes and like a bone nice. And I say, give me the banana. She want the banana. She all of the banana. She a cry for banana. Give me the banana. She want the banana. She all of the banana. She a cry for banana. She want the same thing. Fat no slim thing. Ring with the ring thing. And I'm a sling thing. Let her push it and move and we go on the thing. Up in her eyes and I jiggle on the thing. She went no life and I jiggle on the thing. You know what I mean? I said,
it's big morning, out of the business. Top of the morning to you. Welcome to Shugga Wayne Rockers Radio. Shocking Murray.
Yeah, one top of the morning to you, Shugga Wayne. And
yes.
Top of the morning to all of the listeners them. Top of the morning, Jamaica.
Oh, Lord, good to hear you, man. Good to hear you.
Man, I say greetings to the world. That's it.
Yes, and right off the bat, you know, I want to ask you, are you from Jamaica?
Yeah, man.
What parish? What parish are the man from, sir?
Well, I actually from the east, Portland.
Portland? Yes, Portland. Plenty bananas over Portland?
Oh, we have some on a banana place, man. Yo, we come from, yo, Sugar.
Yes,
We come from a place in Portland named Snow Hill.
Snow Hill. Yes, I heard about Snow Hill.
Yeah, there's a Snow Hill now. The original name for Snow Hill is Burlington.
Oh, yes.
A banana place. You see it right just by the Reggae and everybody.
Yeah, no, that's stuff, right. For real.
I'm a place that. Banana place.
Yeah, man. So, when you were in Jamaica, yeah, what's going on inside of your music career at that time? You were doing recording?
You know, sir. Yeah, man. I want to make you know, say, you know, I grew up in a Snow Hill and, you know, I listen to a lot of Kilimanjaro and King Stereograph cassette them and Joseph Wales and Charlie Chaplin them and I said, I do that stuff now, you know.
Yes.
See? But, you know, me I record from in the early 90s, from about 1990, me I record with people like Squidly Cole.
Yes.
You know, people like Dave Kelly and, you know, all them people. Barry from where they don't grew up there. Seeing Barry Oreo.
Barry, oh yes, IRFM.
Yeah, man, I grew up there, but
yes.
Don't see the IRFM there.
Barry here.
Seeing, yeah, man, we record with Devon Bradshaw that Devon Bradshaw now at the bridge in there where I play the bass in the acts of the Apostle band where they used to back down itself.
Oh, yes.
Seeing Jack Scarpio and all them. Yeah, man, a long time I deal with the thing.
It's a long time. Yeah. It's a long time. So
one of my first songs, you know, when the Dicky rhythm they come out. You remember the Dicky when Buja said, over the Dicky, you know?
Yes.
Yeah, man, me up on a rhythm there too.
Touch a little pace for that one. Touch a little pace for the clean. Touch a little pace for us now. Make remember, get back to the all right, make it stay right there. Make it stay right there.
Yeah, man, with that place for your heart down in that region there, you see?
Yes. So, any of those songs did hit the airwaves at that time? During the...
Yeah, man. Well, my first song when we record for iOS, on the iOS label.
Yes.
Is a song with titled Drum. And yeah, man, JBC, RGR, IRFM. Yeah, man, but not the whole of that tune, you see?
You see when you say JBC, that means that you've been in the business for a long while. Because JBC, now the function is a long time ago and you're doing music from since? Well, you're up in the business, man. Long time.
A tall while. Yeah, man.
Tall while. Doing the right. Tall while. So how it has been since you hit Germany? How it has been?
I want to make you know, say now.
Yes.
Because of books, you know. I'm a link up with a singer named Antonio De Lira in Port Antonio, run a Eric Jackson studio, in Port Antonio. And I saw me and him get to do a song named Woman Are You Want. That are 1995.
Oh.
Now the song goes for books now and I blaze the fire pan. Them 3 radio stations when me call out a while ago.
Yes.
Because they were the major radio station in Jamaica at the time. You know see it. Then the song now go kick off in Europe and some places in Australia and all about the place. You see it?
Yes.
So you find a promoter call me and the Virgin Antonio De Lira and I said, yo, want to come to Europe, come tour. See? So that is how me left Jamaica in the first place.
Yes.
You see it? And tried in Europe and link up with Sun Vibes, man, them in Europe. Some Jamaicans were produce music in Germany. So after we tour, we link up with Sun Vibes, man, them and start work with them. You know, see it? Bring in Rhythm 2000 band. See, in Rhythm, the band that when in Rhythm 2000, when you say a tour with IFT and Sizzla, the man, Queen Africa, our band that, you know.
Oh, yes, yes.
Yeah, man, our original band that from Portland, you see.
Yeah.
We and them used to tour down Europe.
Oh.
See, initially, you see. Yeah, man, so from them time, they were there about,
yes.
From 1996, you see.
Oh, from 96, you're in Germany.
Yeah, man.
Oh, that's a long time, as I said, tall time. And how is the feedback on reggae music in Europe? We want the people in Jamaica and around the world wants to know how reggae music going on in Europe.
I want to make you know, say no. You see reggae music in Europe. Why it's like the people that can breakfast, lunch, and dinner, you know. They love it, yeah, man. Remember saying some of my biggest reggae festival and keep in Germany, you know, all over in Europe, you know. See, yeah, man, some giant reggae festival we are talking about. You know, see, so reggae in Germany is big.
Big. So you perform on those giant festivals, some of them?
Yeah, man. Majority of them. Some are jam, reggae jam, all kind of jam, and this is a jam, and that a jam. In Ireland, in the Netherlands, in Germany, Belgium, Switzerland, all over in Europe. Go as far as Kosovo, Yugoslavia, Czechoslovakia, all of them places, I burn them up.
So,
yeah, man,
so
melt up abroad, you know?
Yeah, so that means that when like you're in Jamaica and you go on the corner and you hear reggae music playing over there, playing over here in the night time, in the daytime, in the clubs, that's what's happening inside of Europe?
No, you mean, I mean, it's a different thing in Europe still.
Okay.
You don't know Jamaica. Jamaica, you know, is a place where every little corner you go, you have a sound system string up on a plate and man put a microphone and them thing, them and sip up their rum and all them vibe. In Germany, you can't do such thing.
Oh, yes.
See, but, you know, you can't go to a club, go listen to reggae music. You can't go in a club, go watch an artist perform in a hall when a festival season and all them type of thing there. But the corner is something there where you know, say, once when I play for one corner, don't get so. You walk one next to the chain up and say, yeah, one next one I play. All over the place, you just surrounded by music and you sleep at night and them thing there. No, then I work with it like that in Germany.
So,
see.
Yes. So when you want a nice reggae beat or a dancehall beat to hit the studio, you don't send to Jamaica. You get it from inside of Germany there?
Yeah, we have some good producer in Germany, man. Seeing like Hooptown Blaze, you have a Kenyan youth, you know. Seeing when we work with, seeing him living in a place in Germany called Cologne. Seeing, I did have a song, you know, where they take off in Jamaica the one at the time named Johnny. Seeing, did I go on good in the yard there? If anybody remember, if anybody who are listening remember that song.
Maybe you have to give them a little piece. Give them a little piece so they can remember it. Just give them a little piece.
Johnny, mama did a want him, but Johnny did a go like he no care. Mama tell him to put down the gun and him act like he no hear. Police back him up, shut him up, and now Johnny life disappear. This is for all of you gunmen out there. Johnny never listen, so Johnny never learn. Johnny never stop till him get him skin burn. Police back him in a corner, nowhere to turn. No little Johnny got feet Congo worm. All of the youths them weak and the firm. Ready to come face all the hellfire burn. You see this over that the reaper that you have to earn. The hardest way Johnny learn. Johnny mama did a one but Johnny did a one in a care. You know see that song there? See it was produced in Germany, right in Germany I saw. You see me?
Yes.
Songs like So Nice. Yeah, they have a next one about Jamaica to name So Nice. You never know that life could be so nice. Not until I met you, girl. You see it, all them songs there. Produced in Germany, reparation. No better take this to consideration. Yeah, man, so, you know, we have good producer in Germany. And so we just work with producer all over the world. Germany,
Yes.
USA, Africa, Jamaica. You know, see it wherever they're from. They got DJ Grace, DJ Grace and Father Cut Steve. I do them thing.
Yes.
Seeing some me also work hard for DJ Grace and Father Cut Steve too. You see what me I say?
Yes, I know the Portlanders are feeling good and excited to hear once more Shocking Murray on the radio because we have some folks over there listening to Shugga Wayne Rockers Radio right now. All right, Shocking Murray, the big song now. We gotta move to this song, you know, this big song that's ripping up the place and people are gravitating to. And some people say they want ripe banana, they want green banana. They like it when it's soft, some like it when it's hard. Tell us how this song come about.
But I want to get you say that. You know, so me have a cousin in New York named Great One, you know. And Great One got a books, you know, and me and my reading about some music thing, you know, and he sent me some rhythm, you know. And said, "Cause why you want some of them rhythm, and send them come let me mix them and master them, because he's an artist and he's also an engineer." See, so, me got some books now, me like one of the rhythm and me got a boom and just have it in the house, I play and I walk up and down and I do what I do. And the song just come. The words them a flow. Me attend to the rhythm and just, you know, sort it out. You know, see, it's like a freestyle. Look, it's like me just meds it.
Yes.
So me I say,
Yes.
run up in a UCY studio. Because some books in a UCY studio now, a place named Dartmouth in Germany. Big up yourself, Cat. Seeing I record the song. You see it in Senegal and New York was the Great One, and Great One started. I said, boy, I love studio, you know, read this and read that. So I have a song for about a year or something.
Yes.
See? And then I said, boy, I can't make a song like this, go to waste, me and scratch me head side, me scratch me head back, me head all over my head, me and scratch. And I said, no, sir, I can't make a song, I go to waste, me I go do something about this. So I link up a producer, Jamaica named Jermaine Clark.
Yes.
See, you know, Jermaine, you know what I say? I send a song on gear, why you build, why you work on a song for me. I said, send all the files them and thing, and I send them on. See, and that come out, Jeremy, and bring it to that. You see what I say?
Yes, man.
And him done a great job. So, at the banana song story that, you know.
Yes, but I must tell you that you penned this song wonderfully, you know. You know how this song is penned wonderfully, you know. You're full of lyrics, poetry, lyrics, and style. Trust me, man. Listen, this song I penned, give me a little life. Give me a piece live on the radio when the people ever hear it, man.
So there's some buzz piece
live on the radio. Because, yes, I.
Live on the radio.
Yes, I.
See? She said she feels so good when me enter through her door. Me put me banana in her blender. Juice a pour. She want me to mix and turn it. And when me twist and